What languages do you speak? I speak English and I study Spanish. That's cool. Do you have friends from Spain? No, but I like Mexican TV shows. Me too. I love movies in Spanish. Yeah. Spanish is so cool. Do you like Japanese food? Yes, I love Japanese food. I lived in Japan before. Oh, do you speak Japanese? Some. I have Japanese friends. I practice with them. Do they speak English? Yes, they speak English very well. What foods do you like? I like French food and Thai food. Me too. I also love Chinese food. Do you like Korean food? Yes, and I also love K-pop. What is K-pop? K-pop is Korean pop music. Do you like football? Yes, I love football. I watch German football, Italian football, Spanish football. Me too. I want to go to England to watch my team. What is your team? Chelsea. They play in the English Premier League. Oh! My favorite team in AC Milan. They play in Italy. What do you do on the weekend? I usually stay home, but sometimes I go out. Oh, where do you go? Sometimes I go to the beach. Sometimes I go to the park. I often go there too. Do you ever go to the lake? No, very rarely. It is too far from my house. What do you usually have for dinner? I try to eat healthy, so I usually cook vegetables. Really? What kind of stuff do you make? Sometimes I make soups. Sometimes I make stir-fry. Stir-fry. That's not very healthy. I know, but I don't eat it often. Do you take the bus to work? No, I never take the bus. I always drive. Yeah, it's so much easier to drive. Do you drive to work? Actually, I rarely drive. I usually walk to work. I live near the office. Lucky you! Do you ever go to the movies? I rarely do. It is too expensive. Do you? No, not often. I usually rent DVDs. Really? I never do that. I usually stream movies. Nice. Do you have fast internet? Yeah, usually it is fast, but sometimes it's slow. What sports can you play? I can play baseball a bit, and I can play tennis pretty well. Can you play football? No, I am terrible at football. What about you? Yeah, I can play football. I like it a lot, but I'm not great. I bet you're pretty good. No, really. I'm not that good. What languages can you speak? I can speak Japanese and French. Wow, can you write in Japanese? I can write a little bit, but not that much. Yeah, I hear kanji is really difficult. Yeah, it's really difficult. What about you? What languages can you speak? I can speak some Spanish, but not great. I can also speak Thai. Wow, can you write in Thai? No, but I can read it. Writing is really difficult. Still, that's pretty cool. So, are you a good cook? Not really, but I can cook basic stuff. Yeah. What can you cook? I can make pasta dishes and some French cuisine. What about you? I can't cook anything. I can only make an omelet. Well, that's not too bad. Can you make pancakes? No, I can't even make that. What are you doing tonight? I am going to karaoke with friends. Do you want to come? No, thanks. I can't sing at all. Oh, you should come. Singing is fun. Maybe for you. I hear you can sing really well. I can sing a little bit, but I am not great. That's not what I heard. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!